Happy World Lemur Day!
Hi, this is Lynn from the Lemur Conservation Network. I want to wish everyone in Madagascar and around the world a happy World Lemur Day from New Jersey, USA.
Salama daholo! Sehena avy aty Antananarivo, Madagascar. Arahaba nahatratra ny andro maneran-tany natokana ho an'ny varika. Happy World Lemur Day!
Hi, this is Lucia Rodriguez from BirdLife International. I would like to wish you a very happy World Lemur Day from Costa Rica.
Salama daholo! Ankalaza ny andro maneran-tany ho an'ny varika isika amin'ny 12 Oktobra ho avy izao. Koa manasa antsika tsy handoro tanety, tsy hanimba ny ala sy ny sisa fa izay dia anisany ho fiarovana ireo biby ireo. Happy World Lemur Day!
Happy World Lemur Day from Minnesota!
Happy World Lemur Day from Toronto!
Salam! Arabaina nahatratra ny andro maneran-tany natokana ho an'ny varika. Happy World Lemur Day from Thomas na Madagascar.
Miarabantsika rehetra, Noro aty Austin, Texas. Mirary soantsika ho tratra ny andro iraisam-pirenena ho an'ny varika.
Hi, I'm Yoon from Lemur Love NGO. Happy World Lemur's Day from Madagascar.
Hi, Happy World Lemur's Day. This is Charlene from the Lemur Conservation Network, Madagascar.
Hi, this is Abby and Aliga from T. Darfak. Happy World Lemur Day from Rockford, Illinois.
Hi, this is Mateo, volunteer for the Lemur Conservation Network, and I just want to say Happy World Lemur Day from Cantabria, Spain.
Hi everyone, my name is Jessie Jordan. Happy World Lemur Day from Maswala Forest Lodge here in Madagascar.
Happy World Lemur Day from upstate New York.
Salama! Happy World Lemur Day. This is Fabrice from Center Valvio, Madagascar.
Salama Jab. This is Donovan.
And this is Joani.
We are from Darfak.
And we want to wish you a happy World Lemur Day.
From Madagascar.
Hey, this is Diledra Samso from Wildlife Madagascar. Happy World Lemur Day from Andapa, Savaregion, Madagascar.
Happy World Lemur Day from the Resiliency Center
in Greater Philadelphia.
Hey, this is Cheryl from the Metro Richmond Zoo. Happy World Lemur Day from Virginia.
Hello and happy World Lemurs Day from Brett from Dadamanga here in Fort Dauphin. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Hi, I'm Angelica from the Austin Aquarium. This is Harry, our matriarch. Happy World Lemur Day from Austin, Texas.
Happy World Lemur Day from Pittsburgh, United States.
Hello everybody, it's Jack here from Pangolin, the Conservation Podcast, and I'm just here to wish you a very, very, very happy World Lemur Day all the way from Scotland.
Hola, this is Miriam from Monkey Park. Happy World Lemur Day from Tenerife.